from 12 cents to $80. Let's see how.
All right, everyone, it's time for the moment we've all been waiting for, the official cost breakdown, starting with materials.
The actual expense of the recycled tire rubber is only 12 cents per pair. That is lower than the price of a single piece of chewing gum.
The labor cost here, $4.37 per pair, covers the highly skilled assembly and finishing work done right here in the US.
Abilese. The overhead cost, $3.22 per pair, covers expenses like electricity, water, and maintenance.
The transportation and logistics cost comes out to $1.80 per pair. This figure is essential for our national.
As you can see, the complete cost breakdown, including raw materials, labor, overhead, and transportation, totals $8.47 per pair.
The retail price of $80 includes the cost of branding and marketing. This massive markup highlights the incredible profit potential in the sneaker industry.
As you can see, the net profit is $71.53. Branding truly transforms cost into value, showcasing the power of the brand.
The incredible transformation from 12 cents to $80.
Make sure that layer's solid. Looks good, let's keep it moving.
Welcome to Purely Industrial TV. The coolest place to see how your favorite things are made. We use high-tech tool to take you inside factory to see amazing machines in action. We do not just copy video from internet. Instead, we use a special human AI team to create everything you see. Plus, we do our homework to research how items like soap and food are made so the fact always right. Then we use amazing AI program to help us draw and build the factory scenes. Finally, a real person spent a lot of time editing the video and adding sound to make sure they are fun and exciting to watch. Every video is a one of the kind masterpiece made just for this channel. These videos are made entirely by us and not the other creators. While we use smart computer to help make the picture a real human, always the boss of the project. Everything here is meant to teach you cool fact about the world of manufacturing in a way that very easy to understand. Thank you guys.